Hello, my name is Laura Barrios. A course in the English Those World Level 1. Instructor J.D. Mabel Rivera Erazo. Today, I want to introduce you my nephew. My name is Manuel Barrio. Nick name Manu. He was born in Soledad Atlántico and he lives Barranquilla. Occupation: he is she school student in Freestyle. He likes painting and PlayStation. He likes dog. He likes sock. They is like sweet. They is like proteins. Thank you.